Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Today I'm going to discuss horizontal analysis, also known as trend analysis. You would use this to look at certain line items in a financial statement. I'm going to look at revenue and net income, but it could be balance sheet items like cash and inventory. You always have to have at least 2 years to do a horizontal analysis. If you're doing a vertical analysis, which I have a video of, if you click up in the right-hand corner, you'll see my video of vertical analysis. You only have to have one accounting period. The periods can be years, months, quarters, it doesn't matter. Your base year, so for me, my base year is the year 2014. It needs to have positive numbers, so I don't need to have a net loss. I need to have a net income. It also doesn't need to be zero. So I can see over this 5-year period that revenue is going up, except for 1 year it looks like it dipped. I can also see my income is going up, except for the year 2015 when it dipped. Which one's going up the fastest though? So let's take a look at this. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to end up making percentages because it's the only way I can tell. Just looking at these numbers, I can't tell. And I'm going to paste. By the way, I'm going to end up charting this information too. I changed A8 and A9, added a percentage in there. I don't need these numbers. So not only is the base year always positive, it also should always equal, each line item should equal 100%. So revenue is going to be 14,600 divided by 14,600. 100%, the number one, perfect. I'm going to tweak this formula because I want to autofill to the right and then I want to autofill down without having to change anything. So let me double click it. I'm on the second B4. I'm going to hit F4 function key one time, a second time, a third time. I'm freezing column B, but not row 4. We'll pull it over one time to the right. So we went from 100% the base year to 97%. There you go. There's the math in that one, 14,150. That is a decrease. One more time to the right. Let's see what I get. I should get an increase this time over 100. Let's check it. Everything is working, so I'm going to go back here. Here's what I would have done to begin with. I would have just pulled to the right. Crosshairs, fill handle, pull down, 100%, B5 divided by B5. That's perfect. C5 divided by B5. So I use relative reference in my formula. So now the answer to my question is, which one is growing faster, the revenue or the net income? Because I used horizontal analysis or trend analysis, I can see that the net income percentage is higher than the revenue percentage. Let's do a chart of this real quick. Select my data. So let me create a chart of this data. I'm going to select the first range, Alt F1. There is a column chart. Put it over here to the right. Next range, highlight, Alt F1. So on the left are the percentages as a column chart, on the right are the numbers, but I just want to put them together. So I'm going to delete that one, copy the information, right click, paste, perfect. I said the chart's perfect, to be honest with you. It's technically correct, but look, in my legend, I can't see the percentages because the numbers are too far apart. So whenever you have numbers too far apart, chart design at the top, change chart type, Excel 2013, Excel 2016, Excel 2019, you have a combo chart at the bottom. 1, Revenue is 1, net income is 2. Clustered column is perfect. Revenue percentage is 3, net income, so it has everything in there. Line is perfect, but I need to show the secondary axis. So watch what happens to the right when I check revenue percentage and I check net income percentage. There is my secondary axis. I hit OK. There's my chart. I would add a chart title. I'm not going to for this exercise. So what we know from this is revenue went up over the 5-year period. Net income went up over the 5-year period. Our percentages prove that the net income went up faster than the revenue, which tells us that revenue is growing at a faster rate than our expenses are, because that's why our net income is up. Anyway, so that is horizontal or trend analysis. If you need to see my vertical analysis video, which you can just use one period for, and it runs up and down, that's why it's vertical, I'll put the link down below in the description. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time.